Big bite, big bite.
Okay. Yes. Hlafuna. Hlafuna.
Hlafuna, hlafuna. Maginyeka, maginyeka. Sorry. Oh. Sweetie, what's the point if it's a tifa? What a way. Hi guys. Sibuyile. Lo Lizile inwele zakho bra. Ungazibrushanga.
Brushing.
I-edges. Kunzima. Phofu. Namdi.
Hayi kodwa
Namdi landuzini. Okay, so today we criteria.
Huh?
A criteria.
What?
A criteria.
Hayi. Hayi kaloku ngizibala bana. You are grade 5. Criteria setting
Yeah, we're gonna vlog. It's my dad's birthday. Yesterday was my grandmother's birthday.
Shout out to
And you choose the Pirates at I don't know why I said that because I don't even care. But I'm a Pirates fan. They keep down sweet.
Because it's very important that it's
Okay. We forget about 20. We could be.
What is this batch is cool about?
Vola. Oh, vola. Siyabafuna. Listen.
Must be.
Bafundise bayenza njani?
Awu. Amamba sesitraten khalgqoki sefeni.
You must just rub it. Then you put.
Awufaki mazipho apha. Umuntu ashayina ubuso ngathi hey hayi ngathi lip gloss.
But it depends. Oh, my lips, guys, are Yo, we just hit it up in Century City and we're about to enter right now.
Manager to the ladies category, transport manager to the ladies category, thank you.
I did my potting. My job is to show good outfits, not to look for sizes. Agculanga apa laban lain
Okay. Agculanga. No one pays all for it. What is it?
Hey, boys, yeah.
then record.
What do you do?
Let us move by no one.
Yafana lusizi nithu lusizi na best.
Buzo ndiyayithanda ke because bathi abantu bayo ayifani nami
Why is that this game, guys?
Lizile akaziva mnandi ngokunale way. Into ebuhlungu abaqaleni yangandona.
Yo guys. What's his birthday? His birthday, his rules. Let's follow it.
Okay.
Today today is my dad's birthday, as we already said, but he doesn't want to spend it like at a shopping center. Listen, he doesn't. He wants like local, like Kasi vibe basically. So okay, we have to leave quickly. You have to buy ourselves food and eat. Yeah. This is the M2. Hey, where is it? So sorry, the camera quality is but we are going to KFC to buy food right now, and my mom's phone just died. So yeah, she got food. It's December, guys. December. Everyone is out shopping. Line. It's a line.
Let's go to other place.
Yes. The line. We are waiting for our order.
Can I say something? I know, guys, like our vlogs are boring.
We don't have much content, and
Yeah.
we were supposed to like record today. The problem is that like there was a lot of stuff happening and kugcwele apha because we normally guys is ebusuku, now it's raining and kugcwele. So
I know, like
bear with us.
our content is good when we do challenges.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Comment challenges is it's not sense like
Yeah.
guys like below.
Maybe I can do the cucumber.
Ew. Yeah, cool. And Lizile is not feeling well. We had to go buy medicine for him. So okay, but promise you, after I'm done writing exam, we're gonna do something. Doesn't matter what it is. Comment ideas below, guys, please. And please tell people to subscribe, like, comment,
hit that
and
notification bell. Hit that notification bell. Since I can't say it out.
and share. Please
I
share.
was going to. It hurts when I say
Doesn't
that.
it?
Oh.
I hate that good.
And then you said.
Number 2. Yeah, that's about my mother.
So like I was thinking of like a prank of like relatives. Maybe we could prank us for the last time.
We'll just see where the vlog takes us. I'm sad about it.
Like a prank like that dad's gonna join like he doesn't like playing it but he doesn't need to go to the mountain. Dad takes a knife and see his reaction.
We'll get back to you guys.
Peace.